Hey, how's it going, everybody? Welcome to today's video, and it's actually another blueberry video. I'm actually driving the thing. I haven't driven it in like a week. I think I moved it from there to there, and that's all it's been touched in the last 7 days. So I'm actually going to Harbor Freight to return these old jack stands. You probably already know about this, but the Pittsburgh jack stands from Harbor Freight had a recall, so I'm going to return them. They've been under grayberry. I got rid of that like a month ago, and these are pretty much just sitting here. It's just an excuse to drive the car. We're going to go to Harbor Freight real quick, return these, and then come back, and then we will do something to that car. Yeah, we're going to lower the car just a little bit because it looks a little goofy in my opinion. Jack stands are already in the car. And yes, I do park on the grass to make the car look lower. You know how that goes, right? The no low life. I am forgetting everything today. So we're going to Harbor Freight, right? I forgot my mask, so I had to turn back. I forgot my GoPro head mount. Me trying to hurry, it's actually slowing me down because I had to turn back. I wasn't all the way there, but still. So we are merging onto the freeway, and I wanted to get a nice little pole, but it looks like I won't be able to because of traffic. Oh my gosh. And that was it. 3,500 RPM in second gear. Yeah. So they still are doing the returns on the Harbor Freight jack stands. I thought I was gonna be out of luck because it's been a couple months. So the jack stands they go for $29.99. So they only do return credit. They gave me $32.09. I want to say I got those jack stands for $17 or $18 with a coupon. I somehow just made $10 on Harbor Freight. That's how they get you. They're like, here, have some free monies. It's not really free monies, but have some monies. And then you go in there and spend like 4 times the amount they gave you. It's almost a scam, really. But just like that, we're home, and this is what we're working with, boys. We have some pre-rolled fenders, and we got about 2 fingers wheel gap, which I don't know, it's being that this car doesn't have any side skirts or a front lip, it looks extra goofy in my opinion. So I think we're gonna lower it just I don't know, maybe half an inch, just enough so it can look a little better. Fenders are rolled already from the previous owner. I do rub on the freeway just a little bit, so I'm gonna tighten up my dampening. Hopefully that helps, because I shouldn't rub. This thing's a monster truck, and I rub, especially on this side for some reason. I'm not sure if it wasn't rolled as aggressive or, oh yeah, so you can see my carbon fiber wing from Wish. It's still on there, but it's all peeling and gross. I'm thinking about going wingless, just almost said going trunkless. Now going wingless, you can be a little cleaner. I don't want to deal with the holes right now. That'll be another day for sure. Done. This is how low we're sitting now. So we were at 2 fingers before, and now we're 1 diagonal finger. So we are a decent bit lower now. I didn't want to go too low. They're doing construction here, and I have to drive through it every day. So I think this is a good compromise. We are about 1 finger right here, about a finger here. We have a diagonal finger, so we are pretty much set. I gave the rear just a little bit room, because with these tires I was rubbing before, only on the freeway though. When I hit the right bump, I would just hit the tire a little bit, just enough to give me a little bit of drivability. And the car, I don't know, I think it sits a lot better, to be honest. Sits a lot better than before. And obviously I do want to get smaller wheels, or I guess different tires. I don't really mind the wheels. 245 40s I think are a little aggressive for this. Ideally I'd rather go to a 17, just a smaller tire, being that it's low powered and it's kind of a chunk. Corner. It does feel a lot better, to be honest. trying to say, oh my god, it feels amazing, but it does feel a lot better. Excuse me, people, excuse me. Okay, perfect. See, there's these little things here. I might not even have to go at an angle of those. Like, I'm not even low at all.
What you doing?
I'm trying to grab a spring from the Scion so I can use it on Blueberry. Misplaced my clutch return spring for Blueberry.
So we're at the graveyard holding all the things.
Well, my knees are wet now.
Okay.
So I got the spring. I needed a spring for Blueberry when you, I guess you're not touching the clutch pedal and need something to hold it back. When we did the manual swap, I had the spring, I just misplaced it because we were going back and forth. Bless you.
Thank you.
So I got this one from a Scion TC. I'm gonna look for another one just to have two to try because I don't remember what it looks like and I can't really find images of it. So we're on a hunt for some springs. You know that one? Mm-hmm. So I came in a Scion. Scion, because I'm assuming Toyota has never changed something as simple as a return spring. But
yeah, let's see. What are you doing?
Should I look at that Civic, make sure the springs are
I don't know.
automatic? Look. Power adder. I can read.
Proud of you.
Thanks.
Diet Dr. Pepper. That's garbage.
You see the shift knob on that guy?
Automatic, stupid shift knob. Diet Dr. Pepper. Let's leave.
Get out of here, car.
Gross.
It's Nissan.
I know, I looked at this one too.
Guess I can look. I mean, it's just a spring. It's a piece.
I can do it. Here, I got little weird arms.
Do ya?
Where's the thingy?
I don't know. Danielle's supercar genius.
Yes. No.
Alright, boys. This is a real engine right here. Got the aim. I can breathe. Okay. So, I mean, somebody stripped the bolt on Danielle's car, the oil drain bolt, and I've been too cheap to buy one, so we came to the junkyard to get some things. So, I'm gonna see if the V8 one is the same as the V6, so it should be fine.
Don't call me out like that.
Let's see if this engine fits, because Danielle's Charger is a lot newer. So, let me see.
There's a better way to say that. What are you doing now? You're still looking for something?
Yeah, something so I can put down like a, you know,
check the minivan. I bet there's a blankie in there. Close enough. Psst. Come on. It was in the minivan.
Minivan's got some.
Minivans always have everything that you need.
Yeah, like 10 cup holders. And
You're gonna love your minivan. The minivan that you're gonna trade Blueberry for.
Oh, it's already loose. This one, oh, it's a little strip too. Let's go look at another one.
Should have brought a Ziploc baggie.
Well, the Challenger, the one from that blue car fits this one. So I think this will work too. Let me find something new.
Let me look in the minivan. Let me go ahead and apologize for my filming. Because once I turned it on and hit record, I never hit stop. She got like 30 minutes so far.
Really?
Yeah. Now what are we doing?
I am going to put on the spring real quick, and we're going to go to the grocery store because that's what we use Blueberry for.
The grocery getter, because otherwise it'd have to be one of those ones.
Okay, so I got 2 springs and one of them should work. I think this is the one that looked like the one that should be there, so let me show you what my issue is. Your boy has a floppy pedal, look at this. Nobody likes a floppy pedal compared to the brake. Kind of sturdy. I think with a spring on there, I'll keep it away from the clutch so it's not pressing it in and putting load on the thing, you know, the clutch. That's what I meant. Yeah. You know that one?
Mm-hmm. How'd it go?
Took me like 30 minutes to find somewhere to put the spring. So there's a little bit of tension on it at rest, so it's good. Just enough to pull the pedal away from the actual, I guess, resting on the rod. But so now the clutch pedal feels a little stiffer because it has a spring on it. That's not bad. I forgot to show you the pedal. So since we put the spring in, so this is the flex on the brake pedal, not much, and now this is the flex on the clutch pedal. It's still a little more flex than this, but it's, see, that's a good comparison, that bounce right there. Clutch pedal, and I'd probably like that spring to be a little tighter. I just couldn't find anywhere to actually anchor it. But considering, I mean, if you're comparing no spring to this is amazing. The clutch does feel a little more aggressive, but not much. More aggressive. Better. So much better now that it's lowered. I was scraping on this wheel because we had all the water over here. So, not too bad, but a little scrapage here. That's okay. One finger. Well, there you go. Blueberry is now a finger lower. Handles a little bit better, and I think it just looks a lot better. It doesn't look as dorky. I think the side skirts and, you know, a lip, I guess a body kit really would help the car look better and again, less dorky, but definitely step in the right direction. So, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next one.